Hello, welcome dear students. Welcome to online teaching program organized by Gokhale Education Society. I am Mr. B.S. Patil, working in HL High School English Medium, Ozar Township. Today we are going to study Geography, Standard 6. In previous video, we have studied lesson number 9, Energy Resources. Today we are going to study lesson number 10, Human Occupations. Man undertakes all activities to satisfy his own needs, and whatsoever he perform to fulfill his needs is occupation. Human occupations can be divided in 4 types. Let's see all these one by one. First, primary occupations. We carry out many activities or occupations to fulfill our needs. Some of these occupations are directly dependent on nature. Occupations that are dependent on nature are called primary occupations. Example, animal husbandry, fishing, farming. All these are directly dependent on nature. That's why they are primary occupations. For example, farming. With the help of nature, this occupation can be undertaken. Animal husbandry. So they are part of nature. That's why they are primary occupations. Next one is secondary occupation. Occupations dependent on primary occupations are called secondary occupations. In secondary occupations, the products obtained from nature or primary occupations are processed. Their quality is enhanced and they are made more durable. Example, Shrikhand made by milk, butter, cheese made by milk, etc. are processed from milk. Sugar is processed from sugarcane, etc. Because as they are made from the things which are obtained from primary occupations, that's why they are secondary. So all these are secondary occupations. Let's see third type, tertiary occupations. Occupations providing complementary services to the primary and secondary occupations are called tertiary occupations. For example, transport of milk and milk products, loading and unloading of goods, sale of goods, etc. All these are tertiary occupations. Last type, that is quaternary occupations. The special services rendered by people having some special skills, exer- ex- expertise are called quaternary occupations. For example, inspecting the quality of cheese, paneer, maintaining machines, preparing designs for buildings, etc. All these are quaternary occupations. Occupations are very important for all the human beings to fulfill their needs, and they are divided in 4 types, which we have seen now. I hope you must have understood all the 4 types of occupations. You have to read the lesson in your textbook and again review the video so that you can again uh, understand this lesson much effectively. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Here we have completed all our lessons. You review all the lessons of second term again so that your preparation for the exam of second term will be done. Thank you once again.